Okay, well, I think I may have broken that video up into two parts, but that's okay. We're back on page 6.7. Zinc iodide, pretty straightforward. 65.38 for zinc plus 2 times 126.90 equals 319.18. And we could think grams per mole. CNI2. Ibuprofen 13 times 12.01 plus 18 times 1.01 plus 2 times 16.00 equals 313 times 12.01. Calculator stopped. 13 times 12.01 plus 18 times 1.01 plus 2 times 16 equals 206.31 grams C13 H18 O2 per mole C13 H18 O2. Now, point 2 looks a little bit messy. I would pause the video and give it a try and then come back and see how it works. Well, of course, we're trying to get to moles. That's what the question says. How many moles? Well, I've got 50 milligrams. And I think, well, I can get grams per mole of that. So I might say, well, how about this? I'm going to do moles per gram. Turns out if I add the 6 carbons, 8 hydrogens, 6 oxygens, I get 176.14 grams per mole. So people do this in different ways. I'm going to say 10 to the minus 3 for 1. So I've got milligrams cancel, grams cancel, I've got moles left. I get 0.00028 moles of C6H8O6. All right, 6.7. Mass in grams. So I go out here and go, well, grams. So I've got 0.0010 moles of the C9. I go, okay, well, I know I want moles on the bottom and grams on top. C9H8O4, C9H8O4. And let's see, when I added that up, I got 168.13 for 1. So I've got and I'm on the wrong page. Cross that out. Come back. 180.17 grams per mole. 180.17 equals 0.18 grams C9H8O4. Again, you can always stop the video and think, wait, where did he get those numbers? How did he get that? Let me see if I can get that on my calculator. Let's look at the last page in this segment. So A says, I want to know moles C2H6O. And then the other one, I want to know grams C2H6O. If I went 10.0 grams, if If I add that up, I got 46.08 grams, 1 mole, C2H60, C2H60. I got 0.217 mole. Here I'm going the other way around, 0.15 mole. I want to get to grams, so I'm going to have grams per mole, 46.08 grams, 1 mole. I got 6.15. Oh yeah, that's right. 6.9 grams C2H6O. This one's messy. I'm going to give you the answer and let you work backwards. It turns out that weighs more, and it turns out that many moles is 3.40 grams. I'm going to let you work that out. It's probably the same exact problem in your book, 6.6. Small kidney stone. Same thing. Let's skip this micromoles since we're in this crazy situation this semester. The answer to that is in the back of your book. I'm going to leave that up to you to figure that out. And I'm going to shut up and close this. The next one I will... Well, anyway, I'm going to shut this down.